Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video and with Capri. So if you tuned in last week, you saw that we are doing some dorm inspired videos. You know, college struggles and food can be
rough.
From the words of a college freshman. So I'm gonna let Capri tell you what it is that we decided to do today.
Thank you. So basically, we made grilled cheese with bread, cheese, and not a stove, but an iron.
So we are showing you how to get resourceful. If you don't have a stove, you don't have a griddle or a George Foreman, you can still get a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Now, you know, we decided to spice things up a little bit. You know, basic just wasn't the move. So instead of using classic cheddar or mild cheddar, we decided to go with
Pepper jack.
So if you want to see how we make this grilled cheese sandwich, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is spray your bread or spread butter on your bread. We're just using spray butter because that's what we have. And then you'll just go ahead and put the butter side face down on a sheet of foil. Put your cheese, any cheese you like, and then repeat the same step, but this time the butter side will be facing up. And now you'll just fold your sandwich in the foil, and then you'll take your iron on the highest setting that has no steam, and then set the iron on each side for 1 minute. And literally, you guys, that's it. That's how to make a grilled cheese in your room just using your iron.